Deep inside a tree, nestled between branches and bathed in sunshine, lies a bustling factory. But this is no ordinary factory. This is a leaf factory, powered by the sun and staffed by millions of tiny employees called leaf cells. Their job? To capture sunlight and turn it into food. A process with the complicated name of photosynthesis. It might sound dull, but trust me, it's anything but. These cells, my friends, are the unsung heroes of the tree world. Every day they work tirelessly, fueled by sunshine and a strange desire to turn light into sugar. They don't get paid overtime, they don't get holidays, and their existence is a constant cycle of work, work, and more work. But hey, someone's got to keep the trees fed, right? Every factory needs a boss, and the leaf factory is no different. Enter Mr. Sun, a powerful and somewhat temperamental fellow. When he's happy, he showers the factory with warmth and light, providing ample energy for the workers. But when he's having an off day, well, let's just say production takes a hit. The leaf cells live in constant fear and slight awe of Mr. Sun. If he's too intense, they can get sunburned. And if he doesn't show up at all, well, that spells trouble for everyone. You see, without Mr. Sun's energy, the entire operation grinds to a halt. Talk about a high-pressure job. So what exactly is photosynthesis anyway? Imagine this. The leaf cells are like tiny kitchens, and sunlight is their main ingredient. They use amazing green machines called chloroplasts to capture sunlight, like tiny solar panels. They mix this sunlight with water, delivered from the roots like an ingredient delivery service, and carbon dioxide, which floats in from the air. It's a bit like baking a cake, really. You mix the ingredients in the right amounts, add a dash of sunshine, and voila! You get a delicious, energy-rich treat called glucose. This glucose is the tree's food, providing it with the energy to grow tall and strong. Now here's where things get interesting. You see, in the process of making glucose, the leaf cells accidentally create a byproduct, oxygen. Yes, that oxygen, the very air we breathe. It's like the factory accidentally invented a life-saving gas while trying to make a snack. Talk about a happy accident. The oxygen molecules, full of excitement and gossip from the factory floor, can't wait to escape the leaf. They jostle for space and push their way out through tiny openings called stomata. And so the very air we breathe is filled with the whispers and tales of these hard-working leaf cells. Section 5, Stomata Security, directing the flow of gases. Speaking of stomata, these tiny openings are like the air traffic controllers of the leaf. They regulate the flow of gases in and out of the leaf, making sure there's enough carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and releasing the oxygen byproduct. It's a delicate balancing act. The stomata need to stay open to let carbon dioxide in and oxygen out. But if they stay open too long, the leaf could lose too much water and dry out. Talk about a high-pressure job. These tiny gatekeepers are essential for the survival of the entire tree. Life at the leaf factory isn't always sunshine and glucose production. During droughts, when water is scarce, the leaf cells face their toughest challenge yet. With limited water supplies, the stomata are forced to close to prevent further water loss. Production slows to a crawl and the leaf cells start to worry. Water shortage, they whisper amongst themselves. How will we make glucose without water? Mr. Sun won't be happy. Droughts are a stressful time for everyone at the leaf factory. Life as a leaf cell is a thankless job. They work tirelessly from dawn till dusk, fueled only by sunshine and a sense of duty. No coffee breaks, no weekends, no holidays for these dedicated employees. They endure scorching summers and occasional water shortages, all for the good of the tree. They are the ultimate team players, sacrificing their well-being for the sake of the larger organism. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. As summer fades and the days grow shorter, a sense of change settles upon the leaf factory. Mr. Sun, their once reliable boss, seems distant and less energetic. The air grows colder, and the once vibrant green leaves begin to transform. The tree, in its wisdom, has decided it's time to conserve energy for the coming winter. The leaf cells, their work complete, receive the message to shut down. They dismantle their chloroplasts, their green color fading into brilliant hues of yellow, orange, and red. Finally, the day arrives when the leaves can hold on no longer. With a final gust of wind, they detach from the branches and twirl gracefully to the ground below. But this is not the end for the leaf cells. Oh no, their journey is far from over. As the fallen leaves decompose, they release their stored nutrients back into the soil. These nutrients, like a final act of generosity, will nourish the very tree that gave them life. And so the cycle continues, a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and the unwavering dedication of the tiny, overworked employees of the leaf factory.